lyrics at all. You won't be able to listen and feel, understand the lyric. But there's, some.
Our next contestant is contestant number 6, Jade Lewis. She will be singing Hallelujah.
George Mason? Oh, okay. Hey, man? What the fuck? Oh, shit. What? Good. I've seen him forever. So, what, $2? Some of that British water. Look for some sandwiches over here. That did say me. It's here, too. Dedicated sugarcane stand. Oh yeah. Oh, you don't speak Japanese? Yeah, because I don't speak Japanese and thank you so much. Charisma 100. He's going in again. That's some really sweet watermelon. Holy shit. You guys want it? It's really sweet. Oh, thank you so much. The opposite of that called what America has. They have like opposite communism, I forget the word. You too, nice capitalism. Yeah.
They ran a whole.
That's a fucking big 40.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Ice cold? Mm-hmm. Sweet. Alright.
How is it? What does it taste like?
Tastes like daddy's cum.
Yeah. Edit that out.
Not bad. Try some.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
Is that standard?
Standard, yeah.
Good. Awesome.
That's different. I've never had anything like that before.
I couldn't remember the damn word for high school. I know college is Daiga. Organization. Or something.
Just playing that one song that every Vietnamese girl aged 13 to 15 knows on piano. It's very specific, but also very accurate.
Together, Asian American.
Right. Right? It's so cool. Yeah.
Their talent and their charm. To Mr. VIETFEST.
Yeah, so that's what I was talking about with the cross on the D. Yeah, that's a hard D and not a soft one. And a soft one is pronounced as a Y. How you doing, Miss Mel? You having a good time? Yeah, I've never been here.
For the afternoon, please put your hands together and welcome.
Tất cả các thí sinh quay trở lại trong phần thi đầu tiên của ngày hôm nay.
It's for Miss VIETFEST United States 2018. These lovely ladies who you already saw are talented, versatile, and diverse are going to share with you their evening gown and aoyai with their proverb delivery. They will tell you a proverb in Vietnamese and what it means to them. The top 5 will move into a Q&A portion, and so stay tuned for tomorrow's main event.
Here from number 1 to number 11 because we have
2018.
That's one big doggo.
Legendary Pokemon.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's just stay right here to support for the contestant, and now we'll be here shortly, and we're gonna know who is for you. Who wants one of these t-shirts right here? You guys stand a little closer. I don't know how far I can throw these. Alright, free t-shirts. Hey, you guys stand closer. I'm gonna throw it. Alright, over here. Yay! Alright, who wants white one?
Go right here. Go right here.
Alright. Any more guys? Alright, Andy. Alright, you guys ready over here?
place to start.
All right, somebody's very excited over there. All right, I'm going to give you a chance now, okay? Even though you weren't that proud, you scream your lungs out. I'll still give you a chance.
Hi, one, two. Wait a little. One is gonna be 6, but just wait a little bit.
Hey, you guys, this is going to be right in the center.
So here's classic, over there's flavor.
Whoever jumps the highest.
So what'd you get?
Sugarcane juice with a little bit of lime in it. It's tasting really fucking good.
God.
Thank you.
Goodbye.